Hey there mga my love Pisces! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading ninyo, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might be really for you. So let's see Pisces, no, kung ano ba ang love life ninyo ngayon. Energy, no, ng love life ninyo ngayon. So, just take how this resonates at wala tayong genderility. So, Pisces, let's do this. Pisces in love. Spirits and angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Tell me something about Pisces in love. Pisces in love. Can you please show me? Tell me something about Pisces in love. What is Pisces in love? Pisces, I'm hearing stay away. So, mukhang meron kayong dapat layuan or baka meron kayo ritong dapat i-release sa inyong life. Either may paparating sa inyong ex na babalik, no, which is pwedeng hindi pa rin siya nagbago, toxic pa din siya, or pwedeng mga babes na meron ditong bagong paparating sa inyo, pero pwedeng isa siyang false person, not meant to stay. So, tinan natin, no? But we heard stay away, so ibig sabihin, layuan mo siya. Yan, no? It could be tempting, no? Whether it's brand new or para sa iba, no? Not for all of you, no? It could be tempting right here, okay? Kasi spirits are advising you, no, to stay away. But let's see. Okay, kumawa. Okay, for a while. Ayusin ko lang tong cellphone. Ang liwanag kasi. Ayan, kita na ba? Ayan, okay, no? Okay. So, let's see. So, Pisces, we have here to get more information. See? If that's a brand new energy coming in for you guys, or if it's an old past lover right here, or ex-person, get more information. No, kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo no, we heard stay away, no? So, ibig sabihin mga babes, so, universe is telling you, advising you to get more information about this person, his or her background, if this is someone new or bagong energy, kasi nga, iba yung nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Yeah. And we also got here, Pisces, the soulmate. Yeah, this is your soulmate right here. Yeah, but with the get more information, baka kasi mga babes, no, isipin mo, no, na soulmate kayong dalawa. Yan, no. Kasi it could be tempting nga. Okay? Maybe, this is you, no, pagkakilala mo. Kasi parang alam mo yung nakuha ko, no, there's that kind of excitement, no? There's that kind of parang attraction na ma-attract ka sa tao na yun. Okay? For others of you, if that's your past lover, no, pwede kasing meron ka pang remaining feelings para sa kanya, but not for all of you, no, if that is your ex you're thinking right now. Kasi 'di ba, when we're watching tarot or energy readings, we tend to think of that specific person, no, lalo na kung meron tayong iniisip na specific person, no, yung nasa thoughts natin. So if this is your past person right here, no, pwede kasing meron ka pang feelings para sa kanya. If someone brand new naman, no, maaari kasing, alam mo yung parang bubulagin kanya at first, no, na parang soulmate kayo, pero pwedeng nakapag-research na rin pala siya about you, sa mga favorite colors mo, sa mga trip mo activities, sasabihin kanya kunwari, parehas kayong favorite color, sin pala, hindi. So, get more information, no, tanong-tanong rin kayo with other people, get nosy, especially if nagugustuhan mo na siya. Not because you do not trust this person, but because you want what's best for yourself. Magkaiba yun. So, ibig sabihin mga babes, no, this is you, nagiging mas matalino ka, mas nagiging wiser ka, no, kapag ka, mas kinikilala mo pa at hindi ka nagmamadali mag-dive into a relationship with someone. Yeah, especially if it's brand new, or especially if you've already been in a relationship with whoever this past para sa iba. We also have here the romance. Yeah, this is clearly a love and relationship right here kasi nga you're thinking no, na baka ito na yung soulmate mo. But spirits are saying, stay away and get more information. Stay away could probably mean, no, na take a pause, take a break, gather all the information that you need. Yeah. Okay? So we have here the passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. See, there's an excitement. Yeah. So let's lay all the energies, no. Yeah, there's chemistry right here. Sabi ko sa inyo, may chemistry talaga dito. And we have here that there's something better. Yeah. See, there's something better right here with this romance. There's something better. Like, there's really right here someone who is a true soulmate. But look at that, apparition pa lang eh. Hindi pa nare-reveal sa inyo, Pisces, no? Kaya pala pinakukuha kayo ng other information is that meron kayo ritong paparating na true soulmate. Kasi itong dumadating sa buhay ninyo or paparating pa lamang, no, with the get more information, maaari kasing maisip ninyo, no, na gustong-gusto mo na siya, baka ito na yung soulmate ko. Kasi nga, ang taas ng excitement, may passion tayo dito at may chemistry. Ayan, no, there's a strong magnetic attraction, pero kasi it's a false person. There's someone here coming in for you guys, which is a true romance, no? And spirits are saying, yan, no, yan, no. Alam mo ba na itong bouquet of flowers na ito, no, has something to do with romance is blooming, isn't it? So whatever it is, I'm picking up that this is something here that lots of love, lots of true passion, and I can see genuine feelings and affection. See, spirits are saying pala, no, stay away. Kasi meron din paparating no, na baka isipin mo no, na siya na yung real soulmate mo, tas hindi pala. Let's see at the bottom of the deck. We have here the listen to your intuition. Exactly. Okay? Lalo na kung isang taon at higit na rin tayo magkakasama rito sa channel na to. Lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, no, na wag lamang ang damdamin ninyo at ang isipan ninyo ang gagamitin ninyo sa pagdedesisyon in all areas of your life, kundi ang intuition ninyo, mga mahal. Kasi, if you listen into your intuition, it can never be wrong. So, I hope naririnig nyo pa rin ako, lakas ng rain, and I hope nakasilong kayo right now. And if you are trying to go home, no, patilain nyo muna yung ulan, yan, no, kasi baka kayo ay mabasa. Yan, no, so iwas tayo sa pagkakasakit. Yeah, listen to your intuition right here, Pisces, because I can see that there is someone here. Yan, no, see, that will look at you eye to eye. Yan. You have the same energy. See, it looks like this is what true chemistry is. This is what real magnetic attraction is. Umpisa pa lamang ng reading na ito, sinabi ko na sa inyo, narinig ko ang stay away. Okay? So, get more information, okay? Whoever this person is coming into your life, and we have here the recovery. Yeah, so this is a very healing connection right here, and this person here is being guided right here by the light of your angels and spirit guides. So, kung sino man tong taong paparating na to sa inyo, mga babes, no, kilalanin nyo munang mabuti yan, kasi mayroon ako nakikita ritong hinuhulmang true soulmate for you. And you can feel that this is really your soulmate if you listen into your intuition. Okay? Kasi itong passion, itong chemistry na sinasabi ninyo na pwedeng maramdaman ninyo sa false person, it's the excitement. Kasi this person right here, pwede kasi niyang palabasin na rito na, oh, soulmate tayo, oh, pareho tayo ng favorite color, oh, hala, favorite ko rin yun. Yan. So, this person right here could probably, alam mo yun, no, nakapag-search na rin siya about you. And this person is trying to give you that false destined kayo or meant to be kayo. Pero it's not. Because that person, I can sense some kind of toxicity in his or her energy. And that person isn't meant to stay for long. No? So, yung iba sa kanila, ito very specific tar sabihin ko sa inyo. Yung isa sa kanila, pwedeng nandiyan lang malapit sa inyo, nagbabakasyon lang, or nakikitira, kasi meron silang inaasikaso. And after that, they'll just fly. And the relationship will be cut. Okay? And your angels and spirit guides wants you na wag maging ganun yon. That's very specific, honey. But you need to listen on that. Okay? So, Pisces, this is a very direct and very clear message for you, Pisces. Okay? So, I hope you have to listen here into your intuition, honey, para hindi ka maligaw. Okay? So, ito ang mga mensahe for you guys. Sana ngayon love and light. Annyeong! Huwag magpabasa sa ulan.